Hi leaders, I want to show you how to use the enrichment folder in your homeroom course. It's a gray folder and it says enrichment beside it, and it'll probably be at the bottom of your homeroom course. So if you don't see it, just keep scrolling all the way down. When you go into the folder, you will see some links to some different websites that you can use when you're finished with your schoolwork for the day. So when you click the link in the folder, it kind of looks like something's wrong or something's broken, but it's actually not. All you have to do is click the blue words at the top, and then it will take you where you want to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Mrs. Price. If you don't know how to get in touch with me, ask your teacher does, and I will be happy to help you. See you soon.